Okay, number 45. Let's see here. Draw a possible graph for f of x given the following information about its derivative. Okay, so for x less, so here's my graph. We want to draw f. So I'm looking at numbers that are using -2, -1, that sort of thing, so -1. We want to try to figure out what does f look like, or what might it look like. Well, we know for x less than 2, f prime is greater than 0. So what does this mean? That means the slope is positive, okay? And the derivative is increasing. So for the slope to be positive, it means it goes like this, or like this. But they're also telling us that the derivative is increasing. So f prime is increasing. Which one of these is the derivative getting bigger and bigger? Well, here the derivative or the slope is getting bigger and bigger. On this guy, the derivative or the slope is actually getting smaller. Okay, so up to 2, or up to -2, it's doing something like this. Now, I might end up changing it based on what else happens, but this satisfies the first bullet point. For -2 to 1, f prime is positive, so it's still increasing. This right here is increasing. And let me restate that. This says that f is increasing and the derivative is decreasing. So the derivative, this is up to 1. So what if I did that? The function's increasing, but the derivative, the slopes at every point are getting smaller. So the derivative is decreasing. So we're good on that. At x equal 1, f prime is 0. Okay, so I happen to draw that, so it's just got flat right there, right? Oops, so we're going to come up like this and make it just flat right at 1. And then for x greater than 1, f prime is negative. So f prime negative means it's decreasing. F is decreasing. And the derivative is decreasing, getting more and more negative. Okay. So it's got to go like that, as opposed to that, right? Here the derivative is getting more and more negative. If I go down here, it's getting closer and closer to 0, so we don't want to use that guy. Okay, so there's 45 for you.